Good morning, guys. Day 2 here in Wildwood. Up before everybody else. For whatever reason, I just don't sleep super well when I'm at the beach, no matter how tired I am. So got up a little bit early, just decided to kind of get out of the room while everyone's sleeping and just kind of get up here and check out the ocean and the beach. So I might just sit on the boardwalk and kind of stare out of the beach for a little while. But not sure what we'll get into today, either a beach day maybe, or may do one of the water parks, but I'll bring you guys along for whatever we get into. Alright, so I think I mentioned in my video last year and my video this year that we are staying at Blue Palms, which is a hotel. The first time we stayed there was last year. Traditionally, we always stayed at the Marlene, which is a great hotel, and definitely recommend you guys check it out. But our family is getting bigger, and it's harder to find rooms that we can all fit into. And they do have one, but I think they only have 2 of them. And by the time we book our vacation for the summer, it's usually booked up. So we started looking for places to stay, and found the Blue Palms last year. And one of the things that we really liked about it, other than it's got a great location, it is literally right at the end of Ocean Avenue, where the ride Piers, where Morey's Piers starts. So it's really great location for anything you want to do on the boardwalk. But one of the things that this motel exclusively has are these wristbands, which because Blue Palms is owned by Morey's, if you are interested in doing rides or the water parks, your entire stay, you get these wristbands and you can use unlimited access to the rides or the water parks. It's a really great deal. So we've come back, for the second year and used it a lot last year and anticipate using it a lot this year. So it's a really good value. Definitely check out the Blue Palms if you're ever interested in coming to Wildwood. All right, I'll show you guys. So I just came off the boardwalk right here. We have Ed's Funcade. The Wildwood Lifeguard Station is right there. Just came off the boardwalk, and this is where the motel is. So we again are staying right here at this one, which is the Boardwalk Bungalow. The Blue Palms is on the opposite side, right behind this building. But this is where we are staying. You've got the Splashdown Water Park right there. So again, really cool, great location if you ever want to come to Wildwood and stay at this motel. Alrighty, guys. So Elliot is up now. Say hi.
Hi.
And we're doing our yearly tradition, because we get up before everybody else in the house or in the motel. We go down to the beach and walk a little bit and look for seashells and see what we can find to do. But this has become our tradition for, I don't know, maybe 3 or 4 years. You'd have to go back and watch the videos and see how many times we do it.
Yeah.
But we just enjoy getting out. This is our kind of one-on-one time, and we get to hang out in the morning. All right. And it rained last night, so a little cloud cover, but I think those are going to clear up over the next couple hours.
Yeah,
So you see off that way, you can see some blue skies coming. So it'll clear up. But thought about getting my drone out, but it's kind of cloudy, so it didn't look like a nice drone flying night or morning. But feels nice walking in your bare feet on the beach. All right, this is the sand we were waiting on right here.
Sand. Big.
Nice soft sand that's been raked in the morning.
Yeah, more sand. And look at the ocean. It reaches so big. Oh, Dad, now the giant wave. Did you? Oh, crap! Well, I was gonna just play something. Dad?
Huh?
Do we sit down, like, down there? Down there?
No, we usually just sit right up this way, somewhere in here.
That big on his foot.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I just don't know why.
All right. We have made it. Looks like it's probably low tide right now. Looks like there might be some little tidal pools over here. Found some seashells?
Yeah, the bigger ones.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Little broken pieces. We can see if we can find some whole seashells.
Yeah, you just look at one detail up here. That's
Uh,
oh,
uh, I see. We got some little tidal pools here. For sure. Oh, look here, we got some seashells. Look at this one. That one's in one piece. Here, just put those little pieces down. We got that one. This one looks pretty nice.
Oh, this one's dirty.
That one's dirty. That one's nice.
No.
They're all going to be dirty.
No, I'm not giving any.
You just got to wash them off in the water.
That's scared him away. He's running and flying. Yeah. He was running and flying.
I saw him.
That was so funny. I was like, okay, I'm running and flying.
All right, so we are in the little tidal pool here. Trying to get across to the ocean. The water feels really good though. Come through here. It's not too deep.
Like down here?
Yeah, come like straight from where you're at to me. Just follow me. That's all right. That's all right. Just follow like exactly where I went. You'll be all right. We can see the bottom. All right, come straight to me. Over here.
Yeah, my fear is sinking.
Come on. It gets shallow. It's right. It ends right here. All right.
Let's get wet.
We can get a little wet. It's not a big deal. All right, we made it through the tidal pool to the actual ocean. Woo!
Oh,
that feels really warm, actually. Last year it was ice cold. This year it's actually pretty warm. This might be a good
oh crap!
good year for the beach.
Wave. Double wave! Woo!
That feels great.
Yeah! When it hits you, kind of cold, not too big. Run!
All right, guys, so earlier I said I don't know if we're gonna do a beach day or go to the water park, but I'm thinking beach day because this water is actually incredibly like warm. It's not like a hot like bath water, but like it's not, I wouldn't say it's cold at all. It's like perfect water that you'd want to go swimming in. So I'm gonna probably make an executive decision and make the suggestion that we go to the beach today and just relax and enjoy it while we're here, because this is great weather. Water feels amazing. Elliot's out here living his best life. We've given up the pursuit of seashells just so you can run around in the ocean in the morning. His pants and shirt are soaked. I don't know if these are the clothes he's supposed to be wearing for the day or if he was wearing these yesterday. I can't remember. But that's why we bring extra changes of clothes. Guy down there fishing this morning. Alrighty guys, we are getting ready for, I'm gonna get ready to go get some breakfast. I'm gonna walk over here to Island Bagels and get a sandwich and get Ashley a bagel with some cream cheese. We got bagels here last year, thought they were pretty good, but I mean, can you really screw up a breakfast sandwich? Yeah, we'll go over here and I'm gonna get a sausage, egg, and cheese, and Ashley wants a cinnamon raisin bagel, so I'll get you a video of what they look like. All right, we got our bagels, and look, the sun is shining through, so hopefully the clouds break up a little bit, but I think we are definitely going to do a beach day today. What do you got going in here?
I'm making my friend Sandy the Sand Man a house.
It's pretty cool. All right, still out here on the beach. Finally tried one of these iced coffees that they have a cart that goes up and down the beach. This one is a dirty banana, and actually pretty good. So definitely check it out. I have a weird focus on right now, but it's right back there. It was $8, I think, per coffee, so not too bad. Tipped the guy, gave him 20 bucks. Yeah, it's pretty good. Check it out. They also have ice cream carts that go up and down the beach as well. So the boys' mouths.
In the Sonic one.
The boys' mouths are all blue.
Really? Oh yeah.
It's because they don't brush their teeth.
Hey. Hello. How you doing?
Woo! It's a little cold now.
Let's get it started.
Good job, Everett. No, Daddy, hold it. Woo! All right? You got it. You like it? Jump! Jump the wave! Oh, good job! Woo! here we go, jump it! Oh yeah! Jump it! Yeah! Woo! Good job, buddy! Come on, take it out here and we'll throw it.
I'll have hi.
Jack's gonna go out in the ocean. He doesn't have a boogie board. He said he's not gonna boogie, he'll just be bored. That didn't go anywhere. Here we go. That was good.
Yeah, but my pants are whistling off.
I don't see your butt on YouTube.
No thanks. Oh, dang it.
Oh, I jumped over that one. I got that in my eye.
There's Jack being bored. No boogies.
I got number 9, 10. I got a phone for you.
Oh, Jack's got a boogie for me. Up of his nose. Look at this jet ski. And the lifeguard jet ski.
That's a good one.
Oh, here comes a good one on.
You didn't ride the wave. Because you're bored. Here we go.
Ashton left the lobby.
This tells you how much of a current is. We started out in front of the lifeguard stand, and now look at us way down here.
I swear the lifeguard moved it.
The way the ocean's pushing us that way. There's a good one.
Oh, you have cardboard? It's hard to get up.
Jack found his boogie.
I sure did. It was up my nose. I remember.
Wow, wow. All right, so we had a fun beach day. Then we went back to the motel and took naps for a while. But now it's dinner time and we are going out to the crab house. And hopefully we'll have some pretty good food. The boys are excited to get their shark drinks that they get every year. So bring you along and check it out.
I'm getting your straw. Hang on.
Oh, that's soda inside.
Yes, baby.
Doesn't look like you did anything down.
All right, I got the seafood boil. Looks really good. So far, it's been good. Jack with the burger.
Yes, thank you.
I always get the
What do you want?
fast food
Some ketchup?
Quesadilla.
Do you need any other sauce?
No.
You good?
No, we're good. Thank you.
Seafood combo. Ellie, what'd you get?
A crab cake.
Crab cake. What'd you get, Everett? French fries.
And a shrimp. So what? A big truck? I don't know if I know.
And I can still shut down a party. I can hang with anybody.
All right, we just had a good meal at 2 Mile Landing. I'm sorry, Crab House, actually. And And now we're up on the boardwalk and we're gonna go to Seaside Pier and check out the rides.
I said on the way back we'll do games, so we're taking the road next to the Piers.
Hey, in 6 minutes we're going to draw big. You can win up to $100. And in 6 minutes on our free drawing. A free drawing for everybody in just 6 minutes. We're going to do that for you.
They only outside the yellow.
And here's the infamous tram car truck. I gotta be honest, I don't like it because it's not the same. It just looks so different. Different vibe, different feel. What do you think of the tram car truck?
I like the old one.
You like the old one better? There it goes.
Watch the tram car, please.
This doesn't have the right feel. Not as cool. Alright, you guys know this is my favorite ride. We're getting ready to go on the Zoom flu.
We just went on a scary ride.
The atmosphere, it was the one that just goes up and then drops you straight down.
We were scared. We didn't know when it was going to drop us. We were getting anxiety. And we are sweating now. But it was a good breeze and a view.
It was a good breeze and a view, but I don't think I would ever ride it again.
Oh, I didn't see half the view though because I was closing my eyes the whole time.
I didn't want to go on it at all, but we went on it, and pretty scary. Ashley said she could hear me screaming the entire way down.
I had a few seconds and then I almost got the wind knocked out of me. I'm like, when we got to the bottom, I'm like, thank God that's over because it was scary as crap.
You almost had it.
Let's see.
try it, Ashton.
Watch the tram closely.
Whoa, that's sweet.
Here, Eric, why don't you take this?
What did we just do?
The sea surf.
The sea serpent. That was your first time riding an upside down roller coaster? And you liked it? You had a lot of fun?
Yeah.
You'll do it again?
Yeah.
All right.
I'm sorry we can't show you, but we'll use the drone later.
All right, that last ride of the night is the Ferris wheel. Woo! Woo!
Yeah. Okay, apparently
We're
I
going.
was wrong. We will be able to show you. Yeah, we're going back. Alright.
We're going up.
We went on. It was pretty cool. And it went really high, but we're trying to look and see which one is higher. We really
I don't think we're going to
know.
get stuck right away.
I'm scared. Don't let me look.
Over here, buddy.
What kind did you get? The
Cherry
icy?
blue ice. It's cold.
That's kind of the idea.
What?
That's kind of the idea.
Really?
You got cookies and cream?
Thanks so much for watching this video. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to the channel and check out some of our other videos.